Hello again, chess enthusiasts. In our previous video, we explored the thrilling world of checks in chess. Today, we're continuing our chess journey by focusing on the critical skill of getting out of check. It's a chess puzzle you'll encounter frequently, and mastering it can make or break your game. So, let's dive into the art of escaping check and safeguarding your king. When your king is under attack, you're in check. You must make a move to remove your king from harm's way. Getting out of check is crucial. Your opponent's move has created a threat, and you must respond. There are 3 ways to get out of check. Move your king to a safe square. If there's an empty square your king can legally move to, that's often the best choice. Block the check. If you have a piece that can get between your king and the attacking piece, you can block the check. Capture the attacking piece. If the attacking piece can be captured, you can take it to eliminate the threat. Remember, you can't make a move that doesn't get your king out of check. You must address the threat. Also, if the attacking piece is a knight or the attacking piece is near the king, then only 2 options are available to get out of check since it can't be blocked. And there is a powerful check where only 1 option is available to get out check. Let's learn that in the next video. Getting out of check is essential because it preserves your position and keeps the game alive. It's also an opportunity to create counterplay and turn the tide in your favor. Now that you've learned the basics of getting out of check, practice is key. Play games, analyze positions, and refine your tactics. Chess is a game of strategy, and every move counts. If you found this video helpful and are eager to continue your chess journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting chess insights. Remember, mastering the art of getting out of check is a vital step toward chess excellence. See you in the next video.